Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm installing a unit from Sensationnel. This is their Butta Unit 40 wig, and this one's in the color block 1B/27. So this unit has 1B all around the back of the hair, and then the front pieces that frame your face are in the color 27, which is like a honey blonde color. So this unit does come with some baby hairs in it. You have a little bit of hairline space to work with in terms of plucking it. I did pluck it out just a little bit because I definitely didn't want the highlight portion of the unit to be a super duper thick around my hairline. I wanted to make sure that it looked as thinned out as possible, so that way it would look a little more realistic, a little more natural. And then I'm just going to brush out those curls because they do come out of the packaging a little bit tight. Then we're going to work on installing this wig. Please keep in mind that this unit is a right side only parted space wig. So if you were thinking about putting a parting space in the middle, or if you needed your parting space to be on the left, that will not be possible because that is not how the wig is made. And also keep in mind this is a synthetic wig as well. This is not a human hair unit.
Just a start, it get plenty things kind of light, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. Can shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon? Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimism.
So I'm going to put the wig on and I'm going to cut off that lace. I usually cut off the ear tabs with my scissors, and then around my hairline I will use a razor because it gets a little bit more of a precise cut, making it a little bit more jagged and making it also blend into your skin more once you start to use any type of holding spray or glue, whatever your choice is.
That I even check, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second, fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn, the boy is back, I never turned my back, I just slapped him, so now.
So I also went ahead and added a little bit of bronzer powder around the front hairline because I needed to make sure that the additional lace that was left on there, because I didn't cut it off, I needed to blend into my skin. And I'm going to install this wig today using the Ebin spray, the one in the black can, and I just put that all around my hairline, and I'm going to try to get all those little flyaway pieces out of the front of my face, push it down with my rat tail comb, and then I'm going to tie it down with my melt band just to hold it into place, and also make sure that the lace in the front blends into the skin. So while that is blending into my skin, I'm going to go back in with my wig brush and brush out the curls, making sure that we don't have any tangles and making sure that the curls are as loose as possible, because I do not like super duper tight curls, and I feel like it's just going to make the wig look more realistic that way instead of it being super tight and precise curls. Then we're going to take off that wig band, that melt band, and honestly, it was looking real good. When I took the melt band off, it looked so good. And then I took the hot comb and pushed the little hairs back out of my face, making sure that we have some flat roots to work with. I was going back and forth, y'all, about putting in a baby hair swoop or something with this, because this color in terms of the front, like 27, I've never worked with that color before, so I really wasn't sure how to finagle it and how to get it blended into my skin. I felt like it turned out fine, like it was working fine. Like I was really going back and forth, like, should I add a baby hair? Should I not? Do I pluck it more? Like it was a little challenge, but I feel like overall it still turned out okay.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes.
I don't know. Have you guys tried this unit out? And what color did you try? Did you like the wig as well? Personally, I liked it. I thought it was really cute. I thought the play on colors was very unique. especially if you're someone who wants to try like a bold statement wig. I think this would be a really good try for you. I love the colors and I love the style of it. I think the 27 is just what was throwing me off. I thought it was very cute. It was just something I had never tried before. But overall, it's a very nice quality, well-made wig. I'll give it like a 9 out of 10. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Sensational for sending this unit over. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips, giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on